Oh, it's at Monday through Sunday, 11 to 8.
Oh, Monday to 8. Okay. Perhaps the market. You're not the first one. They always say, oh.
That's a good question. I have no idea.
Your soup looks good.
Mm-hmm.
This is the one I want to get. So I got one of these. I see they have number 7, and they do have foundations for women of color, so that's nice. Let's see what else I'm gonna look for. I've never had the Revolution. I'm thinking of trying that one too. Look at these colors. I like these bright colors, like yellow. I like this one too. Hey guys, it is haul time. I just came in and I'm gonna do a few things in the house, some laundry, cooking, all of that stuff. You know how the weekend goes. So I'm gonna turn my camera around and show you what I hauled from the store. Hey guys, these are the items that I got from the store. You guys saw I just came from Walgreens and I got like 3 things from Dollar General. So let me show you what I got from Walgreens is my favorite. I love number 7 cosmetics. And this one is my number 1 favorite lip gloss. It's the High Shine lip gloss. I'm gonna see what color this is. It's in the color of Sparkling Rose. So this one by number 7 is my favorite lip gloss. It's completely different than other lip glosses. And I also bought the NYX foundation, the Can't Stop 24-hour. This color, Warm Mahogany, it's a matte finish. So I'm gonna be testing it out to see if I like it. Also, I re-upped on my favorite for my eyebrows, and it's the Espresso, the NYX professional makeup. And got a treat. Now they got the holiday candy out, so I love Ferrero Rocher. Usually they come just like this in the little gold balls, but now they have it like in a candy bar, which I've never seen before, so I had to pick it up. Yeah, the milk and hazelnut. So I may do a review on my other channel and tell y'all about it. And then this is the thing that I'm so excited about. I've been wanting to try this palette for a while. It's a Revolution palette, and it is Makeup Revolution, and I don't see, oh, it's in the palette Forever Flawless. I've been wanting it because look at these colors on here. I love that. You can see blue, and y'all know blue eyeshadow is my favorite besides green and gold, so it has colors that I want in here. If you guys have any recommendations for green eyeshadow palettes, because I'm always in the market for green eyeshadow. And my last thing that I got is, you guys know I'm an esthetician and I love good skincare. This is one of my favorite brands, and it's from La Roche-Posay, and it's the hydrating gentle cleanser. I love La Roche-Posay anyways. Like anything that they make, these products are made in France, and when I went over to France, I just fell in love with their products. And this is one that I have not tried yet, so I'm going to try the gentle cleanser. These retail in the Walgreens, I think it's $20 for the bottle. So for me, that's not bad, because this probably could last me maybe 2 to 3 months. So I feel like that's a good deal. So anyways, I like it because it's the hydrating gentle cleanser for those who have sensitive skin like myself, for the normal to dry. I know they have other ones, so the next time I go back in Walgreens, I will show you the other items that they have. So those are all the things that I got. And for my natural girls, I just got these from Dollar General. They were $2 each. Let me see. This is a 1.75 ounce container, and this was $2 in Dollar General. It's the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner, and I use this and I really like it, but I have never tried this one, the twisting souffle, the pomegranate and honey. So I'm looking forward to seeing if I like it. If I like it, when I do my mini twist, I will show you the end results.